Welcome back, and trust you enjoyed the part 1.2 on why steel. And I'm sure you've learned a lot, and something that you can use for architects to describe some of the benefits of using steel. And these conversations come up often with architects, and whether it's a simple thing like aluminium conducts better than steel, in other words, it allows easier heat transfer, energy transfer, either in winter or summer. Or if it's something more sophisticated like the static loading of steel, that you can go with a slimmer section over taller spans. I think that why steel section of the accreditation program is really important. So let's go to the next part. You've now done module 1, so congratulations on that. And you're going to be starting module 2, and as I said to you earlier, that is DocuCentre. So Andreas will now be taking you through DocuCentre. And after that, there's 5 modules which are part of module, at least 5 parts that are part of module 2. And after DocuCentre will be the fenestration norms and furniture. But for now, it's DocuCentre, and trust you enjoy it.
I have it here as a favorite. And this is the first page. When you log in first time, you will be asked for a email and password. And I guess Dave can walk you through how to fill it out. And you will get access the first day, or like sorry, you will get an immediate access as a architect. There are several, let's say, groups of users of this tool. Architects is the, let's say, the highest level, or the level with least detail. When you log in as an employee of Janssen, then you will get the access as a metal worker, which gives you the full access to all the documents. And this is the front page. I will just change the language here. So this is how it's built. Here in Switzerland, this is my view. You will probably not, I'm not sure, Dave, if you guys will have the access to the aluminum and the wood metal systems.
No.
These two will not probably be on your let's say, face page, or the starting page, but you will see the steel systems here. Steel systems is where all the systems are stored or accessible. And if I just go back one more time to the first level, you will be, besides the systems, so our profiles, accessories, and so on, you will always find also find an icon on machines. Here you will find the machines that Janssen offers. Sometimes there will be already videos included. If not, they are stored still in a central place, and I'll show it to you in a moment. So here you can see the range of machines that we provide that are useful when you process steel profiles, let's say, efficiently. This BAU 2019 is a material from our exposition in Munich 2 years ago. We had a beautiful stand based on Arte, based on black profiles, Arte and art systems, with all the possibilities. So here you can interactively walk through this room and yeah, have a look at what we exposed, what caught the attention of our customers 2 years ago. Quite similar to the exposition you guys have.
Yeah, that's good.
Then what else do we have? We have the tutorial. Tutorial is a introduction on how to use the DocuCentre. Quite useful. It comes in 4 languages, so English will be the video that you probably want to see. It will walk you through the login process. It will show you the advantages and the features of the system. It's self-explanatory, really, without voiceover, just a couple of text lines here, and it will explain to you the build-up or the structure of the catalogs and the possibilities you have. Maybe just to sum it together, you can flip through the pages of the catalog. You always also have an overview of all the pages on one side. Here you can pick singular pages. You can jump from chapter to chapter. So this is all interlinked. The chapters, as I said, are linked to the pages, the corresponding pages. You will find the DXF and DWG joints for all the profiles and glazing beads. You can download these drawings. You can export these drawings. You can also pick pages from the catalog and basically design your own library or your own documents that you want, for example, to send to an architect. So there you can select the pages, assemble them together to make you can mark your favorite pages. Tag.
Right.
And jump back to the DocuCentre and show you a few more things that are important. Steel systems, as I said, this is our main item, or sorry, main icon. Here you will find the system organized by the type. So insulated doors, insulated windows, non-insulated doors, windows, then the folding and sliding systems, facades and roof glazing. Then we have an icon for fittings. Our fitting portfolio is growing, not in size, but in functions. So we have, we're actually in the process of reducing the number of items, but increasing the flexibility and the possibilities that the fittings offer. So you will find that here. And here, by the way, you have a nice catalog on the electric strikes, which is actually quite complex. This is the more complex area of the locks and fittings. We have a brochure in 3 languages that explains all our electric locks and fittings. Other documents are you see that here, basically just as, let's say, fractions of the aspects. You can find it here.
Cool.
So this is the fittings. Brochures, posters, less interesting for you guys. CE marking. This topic is basically just for the European Union. So as long as you don't produce for this market, you probably will not be coming across this icon. CAD files can be found here. There's a library of drawings that you can access. What else do we have? We have videos. This is an important one. The videos are divided into 5 different categories. You see here, storage handling of Janssen profiles, then production steps, hinges, assembly and fittings, the glazing on the profiles, on the elements, and the product standard, the European fire stop product standard, the norm 16034, which is not really in your focus now. If I go to a category, I will find a series of videos that show me step by step how to work with our profiles. So here, storage and selection of profiles, cutting, T-joint, notching, welding and grinding on the welding table, and so on. We will do all these steps today together in the metal workshop. So I will show you everything that you can also see in the videos. But this is a good icon, good source of information. Also good source for training material to the customers. Feel free to show these videos. They are official. They are also available on YouTube, as far as I know. and the number of videos is growing.
Right.
So this is the video button. General, or let's say videos on general topics you will find here. If you go into the individual systems, and I will just make an example here, non-insulated doors, I will jump into this category, and then here I have an icon for the videos. Here I have more videos on the processing of this specific non-insulated system or systems for that case. Yeah. So general videos available here under the general icon. Right here. And the specific videos describing processing of a specific system will be found in the category where you click on. So insulated doors are done, the economy processing videos are done. We are currently working on the insulated systems and facade systems. All right, that's basically it. What else do we have? Data sheets. Yeah, that's another one that is important for you. Here you actually have a, I have to change the language again. You have a selection, jumping, okay. The type of document, you have different types of, let's say, accompanying documents that are not part of the catalogs. Those, when you, for example, write tenders, those you can find here. So this will be safety data sheets, expert statements, information on maintenance, guidelines, principles of tender, and so on. So some of the, let's say, smaller fragmented documents can be found under this icon. Archive, that's older documents. You may find some interesting stuff here, but it's really not in our focus. So really, steel systems and then the type of system that you are working with. This is the main icons. Architecture in steel, that's something for the architects. Here you will find a nice document on all the systems that we designed for architects. So basic information on the data availability, the technical requirements and characteristics, performance values of the systems. Types of profiles, types of finishing. So again, appearance of the profiles, stuff that all architects are interested in. Hinges, types of hinges, handles, push bars. Here handles for economy. For Arte. Glazing values, or UF values. So stuff that you may need when you talk to an architect. FB classes, so through-shot protection classes, RC classes, burglar resistance, bending types of profiles, and so on and so on. Individual profiles or personalized profiles, how to reinforce them, how to strengthen them, how to connect them, or what types of profiles can you order on demand and how they will look like. This is basically it. So again, a brochure for the architect, quite short and entertaining brochure. Under completed projects, are you guys still there?
Yes, all good.
Under completed projects, yet another good source of information for architects, and especially this brochure here or catalog, Architecture in Steel, is interesting. If you open it up, this is yet again, let's say, a assembly of information for the architect. It goes beyond the first brochure, which I showed you. Here we will see a lot of projects, and the projects are not only just shown, but they are described. I will just jump into one of the projects. For example, here, okay, let's choose another. Okay, this one, Citroën. This is the headquarters of Citroën in Paris, or Lyon, I'm sorry. Made with Arte profiles. You will find nice pictures of the projects, but not only then, also the let's say some cross sections I saw there is also in here. Huh. I thought you could actually find some cross section, but not. No, this is just the projects. So, in addition, projects nicely described, impressive pictures, another source of, let's say, material for discussion, food for thought when you talk to the architects.
Yeah.
Okay, again here thermally, these are the projects. I'm still looking for the cross sections. Okay, an example is the description of it, type of system that was used. And okay, there we go. So the first brochure is a general one. I see they divided it now. When you jump into the system, you will find also details of the project that was realized with Janssen. So cross sections, connection details, and so on. So again, a nice depth of, let's say, of the material. It's not only showing the result, but also talking about the technical solution, how it was realized in the end. So this would be the individual sections of the catalog. In the past, we had it all under one brochure, one catalog. Now it's divided. So also another I can recommend before you go to talk to the customers. This is it. This is the architecture in steel section.
Yeah.
All other icons, I just recommend go through it, flip through it. It's a nice tool, an entertaining tool. Watch the videos. It will give you much more detailed information. And most of all, it's an easy access to information. Easy to find, easy to download, easy to assemble, easy to send or export. All right, so that's the DocuCentre. Any questions concerning this tool?
No, it all looks good.
Okay, good. Then
You're activating the academic in me. I just want to go and read now.
You want to know what?
I say you are activating the academic within me. So now I just want to go and read.
Okay, good. Yeah, you have enough stuff to read through in your, in the comfort of your living room. It's a great lecture.
Yeah.
No, but it's good. It's entertaining. The stuff for architects is always, let's say on the marketing side more than on the technical side. But in this case, we combine both. We deliver some good, let's say, good appearance and the technical details.
Yeah.
Okay, so DocuCentre catalog structure. It's actually explained in one of the videos. If you just go through it, maybe just to show you the one thing. Just to show you what a catalog looks like. We'll open one, insulated doors. Let's go for, in each of the types of systems, here we are in the insulated doors section. You will find two types of catalogs. One is sales range and one is processing and assembly. The difference between these catalogs is sales range is basically just a catalog with all the items, profiles, glazing beads, accessories, tools, and so on. They're basically just listed with item numbers with specifications. This of course is valid for all the systems. You see them here. If you go to the processing and assembly, you will find brochures on how to process the system. So basically processing instruction on how to cut, how to do the notching out, all the measurements. So this is the technical stuff for the metal worker, for the workshop. Okay,
so the one category was like your shopping list.
Exactly,
and then this is
shopping list, exactly. A list of items, and this is the how to processing and assembly instructions.
Simple.
Yeah, it is simple. In the end, it is simple and logical. That's right. Yeah. So in let's say the sales process, you will use the sales range catalogs. In the training sessions with the metal workers, you will probably use more the processing and assembly catalogs.
Yeah.
Okay, and this again, this is valid for all the sections here, for all the types of products. Okay, yeah. So that's basically all about the DocuCentre. As I said, go play with it, take some time, and then you will see how much time you can save with it.